Whoa, this is cool.
I feel like my brows look so much nicer now.
I see some strokes going.
I'm curious to see if it's any different than using like an eyebrow pen.
I feel like it's probably like a life hack or like a hack to microblading.
What makes it different than just drawing your eyebrows?
I'm curious to know how this is gonna go.
I'm picturing like a ballpoint pen.
Picturing like an X-Acto knife.
I'm really excited about trying this product because
$5, $300.
I'm all about saving a good coin.
On Point Tri-Tip Brow Marker.
I like how it says on point because you want your eyebrows to be on point.
Tri-tip like a steak.
Like the brisket.
Dries fast.
One is a longer one and there's two like shorter. That's not that thin.
They all mesh together.
It looks like a club stamp.
Oh, you have to do it really gentle.
I barely touched my hand, and this one you can actually see 3 lines.
Looks like an eyebrow. Bunch of little hairs. Ooh, I think this might be too light for me.
I feel like you have to go over it a few times.
Can you tell the difference?
I see some strokes going.
You would have to be like a professional to be able to make this look like hairs.
I ain't mad at this.
Let me try to do your brows. It's really hard to do though.
Wait, oh, it's done.
Are you kidding?
I can't look at an eyebrow, but I'm trying.
She cute.
Here we go. Whoa, this is cool.
Hold on.
We've got the Smashbox brow tech to go.
This comes with a spoolie,
I'm excited about it.
right?
Oh, it's easier to make hair marks with this.
You do have to go over a few times.
It's a lot to get precise with this.
I feel like this is a more natural look.
It's definitely more reminiscent to me of like a brow product that I'm familiar with.
Am I the only person that does my left eyebrow like this?
And I like that it has the gel. Kind of nice to have everything in one.
I feel like my brows look so much nicer now. Comparing the two, Tri-Tip one is definitely more waterproof.
Yeah.
Probably more smudge proof.
Kyrie used way too much of this marker thing. She looked like my mom in the 90s. Sorry, Bob.
This one though
It's more user friendly.
is more user friendly.
It was a look, but it's not a look anymore.
The Tri-Tip one is great if you're just trying to test out if you like microblading.
If you don't have eyebrows, this might be cool to use.
I love how innovative it is.
I will definitely go with the Smashbox brow tech to go.
Winner!
Try it out.
Thank you so much for watching Crash Test Beauties. Now it's time to announce the winners of our Beauty Sponge giveaway. Drum roll, please. Congratulations to Sarah D, Kara Johnson, and Shannon Retzleff. We'll be in contact soon to send over your goodies. And thank you to you all for your submissions. We love hearing from our Ipsters. So let us know what you want to see us test next. You never know, it just might be featured in the next video.
Wait, you're pressing so hard. Chelsea, no one's unibrow looks like that.